Ladies and gentlemen, let's all rise together for the national anthem of Pakistan, followed by the national anthem of Azad and Jammu Kashmir, please. For example, the aging trends. This region is undergoing a major demographic transition. Not only our population growth will slow, aging trends will become more pronounced. While Singapore and Thailand will age faster, even countries with relatively young populations such as Malaysia, Pakistan, Bangladesh, and Philippines will also experience slower growth in their populations and labor forces. The era of plentiful and cheap labor, which helped the region industrialize through export-led and labor-intensive manufacturing, will be over pretty much soon. While knowing this, there's also environmental challenges that this region is facing, especially the climate change, and this would not be anything that we can ignore. While it is hard to predict the economic damage likely to be brought by rising sea levels and increasingly violent storms, the Asian Development Bank reckons that Southeast Asia will be among the world's hardest hit regions. The smoke from forest fires that envelops parts of Indonesia, Malaysia, and Singapore each year suggests that the damage can be extensive and painful. Water scarcity is another potential threat. Managing Southeast Asia's water resources and ensuring that enough safe water is available for everyone will not be easy even. So, what's the solution? We have utilized and still utilizing our best resources to make a mark in the world. Where do we need to go next? The answer is in collaboration. The Southeast Asian countries are blessed with natural resources, either it's the minerals or agriculture, mountains or beaches, forests or rivers. We have it all. Yet we are considered as the emerging countries. And the principal reason is that we are still not completely trusting each other. We at PCBF believe that doing business is a visible form of demonstrating trust. We have great ideas, amazing resources, and a market of millions and billions of people. And if we all come together, we can win a greater share of global trade flows. By collaborating, we can form an alliance to integrate Southeast Asian countries that could significantly increase trade and create a single market of millions of consumers. PCBF believes and supports Southeast Asian countries to collaborate as when countries collaborate, trust is established. And when trust is enabled, magic happens, because truly trust is an indicator of a successful business. Well, there are many other opportunities that we will talk about and then we can tap together, but for now I leave that discussion to our esteemed speakers. Next I would like to thank our sponsors, without whom this conference would not have been possible. Pakistan Southeast Asia Forum, Pakistan Southeast Asia Business Forum is co-founded by Mahin Khan and Farhad Karim Ali. The Pakistan Southeast Asia Business Forum International Business Conference 2019 would not have been possible without the gracious support of our esteemed sponsors. I would like to take this moment to acknowledge our sponsors: JS Bank, the Ruby sponsor, the Searle Company, the Opal sponsor. No event is complete on its own, and therefore the partner companies play an imperative role in making it a success. I would like to acknowledge our partners for PCBF, Airwaves Media.